In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install free WordPress theme and import demo data. First, go to Appearance and then click on Themes. Now go to the Add New Themes and go to the Search Theme, and here search for Astra. And this is the theme we are going to install. Now you can see the theme details. Click on Install and it's installing. Activate. Now click on Let's get started with starter templates and it's activating. Now you can select build with AI and you can select build with templates. So we are going to select build with templates. Now on the top right corner, here you will see block editor and other editor option. So if you want to choose block editor, then you can edit your website with block editor. If you choose Elementor, then you can edit your website with Elementor page builder. So we are going to choose Elementor page builder because Elementor is very easy to use and it's developer friendly, user friendly. Now you can see lot of categories. Suppose if you want to create e-commerce website, then you can choose e-commerce template. If you want to create business website, then you can choose business agency template. So let's say we are going to install a agency site. And here you can see a premium website also. So if you want to install premium site, premium template, then you can choose this, but you need to pay for that. So as we are going to install free theme, free template, then we have to choose free template. So let's see, we are going to install this free template. Just click on that. Now on the left panel, here you will see site logo. Now if you have already a site logo, then you can upload this logo here. And you can change the site fonts family, font size, and you can change the color palette for your website. So for example, I'm going to choose this color palette, and you can change the other text. After that, click on continue. Now here you will see select feature. Suppose if you want to add your website to donation option, then you can choose this. And if you want to other option, then just click on tick mark and then click on continue. Now you need to enter your details. If you don't want to enter your details, and then it's okay. Just click on untick. After that, click on submit and build my website. Now it will take a few moments. After that, your website will be ready. Congratulations, we have successfully installed our free website, free theme. Now you can check your website. Just click on view your website. And there you go. So we have successfully installed a ready-made theme, a ready-made template. And this is our site. Now you can customize this site very easily by using Elementor page builder. So suppose you want to change this text, you want to change this image. So for that, just go to the top bar and click on edit with Elementor. Click on skip. Now let's see how to change the text. Just click on the text, and then on the left panel, here you will see a text wizard. Just select all text and then write your text. And then if you want to change the other text, you can change this same way. Suppose if you want to change the image, just click on the image, and then on the left panel, here you will see the image option. Just click on the choose image. Now you can select file from your computer and then you can choose your image. After that, on the top right corner, go to the publish and then click on preview. And this is the changes. So this is how you can install free WordPress theme and import demo data. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.